Do not pray for an easy life. Pray for the strength to endure a difficult one. Mistakes are always forgivable if one has the courage to admit them. It is no measure of health to be well adjusted to a profoundly sick society. You deserve someone who feels lucky to have you. Sometimes silence between two hearts says more than 1,000 words. The best relationships are built on trust, respect, and effort. Loving someone deeply gives you courage. Never settle for less than what sets your soul on fire. The way someone treats you when they don't need you says everything. Love is not about possession, it's about appreciation. You can't change someone by loving them harder. Love is not about finding the right person, it's about becoming the right person. A heart that forgives and heals is stronger than a heart that never loved. No relationship is perfect, but the right one is worth fighting for. In love, actions will always speak louder than words. Don't be afraid to lose someone who doesn't feel lucky to have you. You attract what you believe you deserve. Sometimes the people closest to us teach us the hardest lessons. Self-love is the foundation of every healthy relationship. What you allow is what will continue. Being understood is deeper than being loved. A relationship without emotional safety will never survive. Don't chase love, attract it by becoming love. Healing yourself is part of loving someone else properly. The more you value yourself, the less you tolerate nonsense. The right one will make you feel seen without needing to perform. True love never asks you to love yourself. Sometimes love means letting go so you can both grow. A relationship rooted in friendship survives the storms. Your peace is more important than someone's temporary presence. Real connection has no fear, only clarity. Where there is love, there is no control, only freedom. You don't always need to react. Silence is a powerful response. No one's coming to save you. Take responsibility for your life. Your mind can be your best friend or your worst enemy. Learn to train it. Respect is earned through actions, not demanded through words. Everyone is fighting a battle you can't see. Be kind, always. You grow the most in your hardest moments, not your easiest ones. Life doesn't wait. Either you move with it or stay behind with regrets. Some people will never appreciate you, no matter how much you do for them. Learn when to stop. The way you talk to yourself matters more than how anyone else talks to you. Change is painful, but staying stuck hurts more. Value people who value you. Don't chase love, grow it. Sometimes peace is better than proving your point. You are not responsible for other people's happiness, only your own. The right person will never make you feel like you are hard to love. Love is not just words, it's consistent actions. When someone truly cares, you don't need to ask twice. Some people love the idea of you, not the reality. There is some self-interest behind every friendship. There is no friendship without self-interest. What lies behind us and what lies before us are tiny matters compared to what lies within us. To be yourself in a world that is constantly trying to make you something else is the greatest accomplishment.